From the moment it's delivered, your vehicle is covered by an FCA guarantee for 24 months in case of possible manufacturing defects. But that's not all. It also covers painting and anti-puncture defects. You can check all the FCA's warranties terms and conditions in detail on the warranty certificate found on board the vehicle or on the My Abarth website. Furthermore, in exchange for a fee, you can extend the warranty issued by FCA for a further 3 years with 2 ad hoc products. The first, Maximum Care, provides a warranty on mechanical and electrical components. The second, Powertrain Care, provides a warranty on the engine, gearbox and transmission. Both warranty extensions include road assistance services and courtesy car service in case of prolonged repair work. Choose the most suitable combination according to your mileage. For these services, turn to the official FCA network of dealerships and authorised workshops. Register on the My Abarth website. You'll be able to configure the warranty extension plans available for your vehicle.